Hey, how you guys doing? Today is your boy King Cash coming back at you with a new video. Today we have a very special video. I'm gonna teach you things that they don't teach you. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm just a nice guy. Okay, so give me your money. No, I'm just kidding. So today we're gonna be talking about the most powerful thing you can do in trading that you can help you that you never lose. Literally, I'm not bullshitting. I'm saying the truth. If you don't believe me, then subscribe. Leave a like, hit the like button, leave a comment, and join the Telegram group because the people there believe me. Because they've been winning and they've been eating because we've been doing great. So I'm gonna hit on the chart. I'm gonna teach you guys the powerful tool called trailing stop. And most of the people don't use it, don't know about it, and don't know how it works. And it only works on the desktop version, doesn't work on MetaTrader, on the phone version. So let's hit the MetaTrader on desktop. And if you didn't do the things I told you guys to do about, you're not gonna win. But if you want to guarantee winning and never losing, I never said hitting TPs. I said that you don't hit your stop loss. Then watch that video. So right now we are on MetaTrader. I'm on the 1 minute. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna try a trade right now. So the trade basically, I will hit sell whatever. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see. I don't know. I don't trade USD GPY, but it looks like let's see. I'm not teaching you guys how to enter a trade right now. We're doing a test. Sorry, why did they open like this? Okay, so let's shapes, rectangle. We got a support right here. So I don't know, I'm gonna just go for a buy right now. And here we go. Okay, not enough money. Okay, I don't want to put this. Okay, 0.05. Okay, how many lots you want me to put? Come on. Because of that trade is not allowing me to buy anything right now. You know what? Let's go to that JAW USD trade. Okay, no problem. It's a swing trade, that's why I'm leaving it right now. So basically, I have a trade right now here. You guys can see, and I have no stop loss. And the way I want to teach you guys is the following. If we move to trading view, okay, and I want you guys to focus because this is really important. And right now, I analyze that this is gonna be a falling wedge, is gonna drop, and I'm gonna just short it from here. And my target is right here. And my stop loss is right here. So how do you use trailing stop? And what is trailing stop? Trailing stop is the stop loss that moves with the graph. And it moves at a certain point that you set. And I'm going to teach you guys how to use it. Basically, so if for example, if I have, let's make this easy number. 10,000, 100 pip, okay. 100 pip TP. So 100 pip. So what I do is I split the 100 pip into 3 sections. So basically, instead of you moving the stop loss every time it breaks a structure or a certain point you have, we'll split this into 3 sections. So first, this is entry, stop loss. The chart starts here. It starts moving all the way down here. This is 1/3 of the take profit. This is 2/3 of the take profit, and this is TP. So if I enter a trade right here, and it drops, and it goes back here, hits the stop loss, then it's a break even. I mean, the entry, if I move the stop loss, will be break even. If it hit the stop loss, I will lose 1/3 of that trade. So what can I do is to see if I have whatever is the target TP is. So the TP 100 TP is 100 pips. So 1/3 of the 100 pips right here is 33, and then it's TP. So what can I do is to be able to know what number to set your trailing stop. And the trailing stop can make you lose some money on opportunity. Not lose money, it can make you get out of trades very easy. So if I enter here and the trades start moving here, I want trailing stop to be activated at the 1/3 section of the target. Focus, guys. I know it's a little confusing, but I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So if I enter here, I want the trailing stop to move at 1/3. So what I do is I come here, I hit here, I go to trailing stop, I go to custom, and I know that it's 100 pip, and 100 pip in gold is 1,000. So I'm gonna hit 333. So my stop level will be 333. And what does that mean is what? When the trailing stop will activate at break even when it hits 1/3. So if that, just in case it goes back here, it will not go to the stop loss, it will stop it right here. Say it hits the 2/3. So now it was right here, it moves every 33. So every time the price moves, it's 33 pips behind it. So it's 33 pips behind it. So say the price goes all the way to 2/3, it will move the trailing stop all the way till here. So if that chart goes back, it will stop at profit, 1/3 of the profit. So example, it goes all the way here, it will be right here. If it goes back here and hits, it will stop automatically at 2/3. But if it hits here, then it hits a TP. So I'll try to simplify it more. So basically, whatever is your TP is divided by 3. You get that number and you set it as your trailing stop in MetaTrader. You come here, you hit your trailing stop, and you say custom, and whatever is the point is that number that comes, you put it here as your trailing stop. And what does that do is it breaks your entry into 3/3, 1/3, 2/3, and the TP. So if you hit the 1/3, and usually most of the people that enter the chart will move in their way, and then it will go back and kick them out. So what I want to make sure that I don't lose any penny is I hit the trailing stop, and I wanted to study to make sure that the trailing stop is right, because if I put it too narrow, it will close because the graph doesn't move, the chart doesn't go down right away. And this way you will know that you secure your profit, and after a while, when you become professional, you become like pro at this, you will start hitting you will start activating it by yourself when it hits 2/3. When it hits 2/3, you will come here and set up your trailing stop to be right behind it. So this way you will satisfy your greed, because you'll be like, oh, what about if it went more down? So you know, if it went more down, you will make more profit. If it hit your TP, then good. If it goes back, you break, worst case scenario, break even. Then second worst case scenario, you make 1/3 of the 33 pips. You can make 66 pips, or you can make the 100 pips. So this is how you use the trailing stop. It's a very powerful tool. You come here, after you open the trade, you hit right click on the stop loss, you go to trailing stop, and you go to custom, and you set the number that whatever you want. Now, because I'm in a swing trade, I don't want this. I come here and trailing stop, delete all. Use this strategy for you, anyone that is beginner or intermediate at trading. It's gonna save your life. I know you'll be like, oh, I could have made more, but you could have lost too. So don't think about it one time. Try it for 1 month on a demo account and see what you can do. It's a very powerful tool. It took me a while to understand how to use it and how to use it right now, because I don't use it all the time. I use it when I need to, when I want to sleep, when I want to go somewhere, because I don't want to sit in front of the screen and keep moving the stop loss manually by myself. It doesn't make sense. But when you set a trailing stop that moves with the price by a certain number that you set, it can take you to a next level in trading, and it can help you secure the bag quickly and can protect you from huge losses or hitting stop losses. Worst case scenario, you can hit stop loss. And if you enter an entry that you cannot even get 1/3 of it, then your trade is very bad, and you start learning how to have better entries. Yesterday we had a great video about sniper entries. If you didn't see the video, man, I'm gonna have it on the screen right now. We made like $3,000 from that video. I analyzed all the big. I analyzed the JAW USD, US30, US100, SPX 500, GU, Euro USD, AUD, Tesla, and Bitcoin, and most of them hit the target. Like, look at this. I said buy here, bam, US30. I said sell here. I quit. I got out right here. I made like $2,000 right here. Okay, GU, I said sell it from here. I got out right here when it started flipping. I got out right here. I made 2/3. It hit my trailing stop at 2/3, which is 66 pips, or whatever the number is. Euro USD, same thing. I got out right here. Trailing stop, it came here. Trailing stop came back, hit it. I made profit. AUUSD, the same thing, but I don't have the drawing frame. Tesla, look at this. Bam, bam, bam. I'm still holding this all the way up. So please join the Telegram group, subscribe to the videos, because we've been eating, people are making money. It's all this for free. Catch it, become of the first 50 people, lifetime free subscription to the Discord server coming up next month. And it's up to you guys. Come try it out, see what you can do from it. Anyways, it was your boy King Cash. Have a great day, have a great safe trading, cancel the noise, enjoy it, make it fun for you. And don't make it about the money, make it about the long-term success of your trades. Anyways, it was your boy King Cash. Take care. Peace.